phrasal verbs with the meaning. Break down to stop working about a machine or vehicle you can use it. Bring up to raise a topic or issue in conversation. Carry on to continue doing something. Call off to cancel or delay something. Check out to examine or inspect something. To leave a hotel. You can use for both situations. Come across to find or encounter unexpectedly. Cut down on to reduce or lessen something. Drop off to deliver something or something to a place or fall asleep. Figure out. Figure out, you can say sort it out or to understand or solve a problem or something, anything. Give up to stop trying or quit. Go on to continue happening to speak. Grow up to mature or become an adult. Hang out to spend time relaxing or socializing. It can be your friends, your family time, anywhere you can use it. Hold on to wait or grip tightly. Keep up with to stay informed about or maintain the same pace as others. Let down to disappoint someone. Look after to take care of something or someone. Look forward to eagerly anticipate something. Make up to invent a story or explanation to reconcile. Pick up to gather, to learn, to improve. Put off to delay or postpone something. Run into to meet unexpectedly. Set up to arrange or establish something. Show up to arrive at a location. Sort out, figure out is the same thing to organize or resolve a problem. Take over to assume control of something or to take a responsibility. Turn down to reject or refuse something. Turn up to arrive or appear unexpectedly. Work out to exercise to find a solution to a problem. Run out of to have no more of something. It can be about food, about money, about anything. So these phrasal verbs are commonly used in everyday English conversation. Let me know if you want to learn more and don't forget to follow. Bye bye.